Hello and welcome to the video on how to buy a piano. There's many good ways how you could buy a piano. You could go to a store, you could go to a dealer, you can go to friends or family, but you want a piano that's a good price. You don't want to just go to the store and just drop $5,000 on a baby grand. You could do that, however. I'm not against it. I actually like baby grands, really nice. But if you're gonna just start playing piano, you really don't need the best of the best. You just need something that will do. Anything will do, really. If you're just starting to play the piano, you need a piano that is full length. You need a piano that sounds good, looks good, all the keys work, and it is just in tune. That's all you need. You don't need a $5,000, $10,000 piano. Those are made for professionals. But if you have the money, please, by all means. The best, cheapest way to get a piano, you could either go to friends or families and ask if there's a piano that you could have, because a lot of people have pianos sitting in their houses, they're not even played. But the best way how I did it was Craigslist. Craigslist. I'll say it again. You could go on Craigslist, type in piano, your area, and there is tons and tons of pianos you could choose from. Really cheap, and they're really good price. Some of them are even free that are great. They're just saying you just have to move it. It's really sweet deals that you can get over there. The very first real piano I had keyboard for the first 7 years when I was playing, and then I got a real piano. The very first I got an upright grand, and I got it on Craigslist for $200, and it was like $1,000 deal for sure. I mean, you could get really good deals on Craigslist. When you're searching a piano, whether it's on Craigslist or in your grandma's attic or somewhere, just make sure it's full length. Make sure all the keys work. Make sure it's kind of in tune. If it's been sitting there for a while, it will get out of tune a little bit. You can fix that. But if it's crazy out of tune, stay away from it. Some of them are not even possible to fix unless you change the strings and everything. But that's too much work and it's really expensive. So go on Craigslist, look for the piano in your area. If you're living in an apartment or somewhere small and you can't actually put a piano, like I said in the previous video, you can get a keyboard, but I would advise a piano because it's a real instrument, real sounds come in. It's not artificial, digital sounds. So if you could get a keyboard, that's okay, but a piano would be better. As long as you got weighted keys and as long as it's full length, and I'm happy with that.